guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be making some curry lobster for dinner. So here we have 3 medium lobster that I'm just going to be cutting. Alright, so this is how I'm going to be cutting them. I'm also going to be leaving them in the shell, but this is optional. You can always remove all the meat from the shell of the lobster, but I'm going to be leaving mine in the shells because I kind of just like how it looks for presentation. So you're just going to cut these in the same size that I'm doing here, and then I'm also going to be removing these little parts. Okay, so after I cut my lobster in the size that I need them to be, I'm now cleaning them with some lemon, and I did add vinegar to the water as well. So you just want to ensure that you clean your seafoods properly. Okay, and once I finish cleaning my lobster, I'm going in with about a teaspoon of my Maggi fish seasoning. And also about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And also about a teaspoon of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So you can use your preferred seasonings that you have on hand. It doesn't take a lot, so you can just use whatever you have. And now we're just going to be mixing this so we can get all the seasoning on each pieces of the lobster. And then here I'm adding some of my curry powder. And these are my seasonings. I'm using some green bell peppers, white onion, and also some red onions. And I also have about 3 cloves of garlic here that I diced. So you're just gonna mix all these ingredients around. And after I do this step, I'm also going to be leaving it to rest, maybe about 20 minutes or so, before we add them to the pot. Okay, so here I have my pan heated. So I added half tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I normally like to add butter to my seafood when I'm doing it, but it's optional. If you just want to add your oil, that's fine. And now I'm going in with some of my curry powder as well. We do like to add that to the pot for about 3 seconds or so before we add our ingredients to the pot. Alright, so I'm going to be removing the vegetables from the lobster first. And now I'm adding in the lobster to the pan. You want to ensure that this is also on medium heat so they don't burn, okay? Okay, so after you mix everything around just to get the curry and all the pieces, you can cover for at least 4 minutes or so and then check back on it. Okay, so after about 4 minutes I did check back on my lobster. You see they've all changed in color. Seafood takes a little time to cook, guys, so it's not a long process. This is about 20 minutes or so I'm going to be having the lobster on for. So we already have gone about 5 minutes in. So I'm just stirring everything around. Okay, so now I'm adding in back the veggies that we had on the lobster before. And I'm adding in, this was a small carrot and also some scallions. You could just use up whatever vegetables you have in your refrigerator that you would like to add. Okay, so here I'm adding about half tablespoon of coconut milk that I mixed in about 2 tablespoons of water, because I do like to add coconut milk to my curry lobsters. So you can leave out this step if you don't like coconut milk in your curry, but that's fine for me. All right, so after 10 minutes, this is what it was looking like. So everything is coming on nicely together, and the aroma is very strong from the lobster and all the seasoning. So everything is smelling so delicious, guys. So you just want to check on your lobster. It takes about 20-25 minutes. That was the time that I took to cook mine, because seafood cook really quickly, guys, so you don't want to overcook it. So after 20 minutes, I did give it another 5 minutes, and this is what it's looking like. It's all done and everything is looking so juicy and delicious. So now I'm going to turn out the flames, and this is what I had mine with, just some rice and peas and some cucumbers. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.